friends, welcome to my channel Medical School. I hope we all are doing well. So today we will discuss about the topic typhoid, its symptoms and cure, and more detail about the typhoid. Before we start our topic, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let us start our topic typhoid. Before we going in detail, I will tell you the basic things about the typhoid. Typhoid is due to the unhygienic places and the poor sanitation and the contaminated food and water drinking. It mostly occur in those areas where hand washing is less frequent. Typhoid is most common disease in our surrounding. It is the bacterial infection that can disturb our digestive system and the immune system. It led to a high fever, diarrhea and vomiting. It is caused by the bacteria called Salmonella typhi. As we discussed earlier, that the typhoid infection is due to the contaminated food and the drinking water. It is more common in unhygienic places. Typhoid is more common in the part of the world with poor sanitation, including the part of Asia, India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Now we will briefly discuss about the properties of Salmonella. Salmonella only affects the human being, not the animals, because poor sanitation affects human being badly, not the animals. Animals are used to of such poor sanitation. Symptoms can be seen in 6 to 30 days after the exposure. When the infection starts, the rose red color spots on the body appear. Typhoid is a widely spreading disease because Salmonella move from one person to another. That's why typhoid is also called transmission disease. Discoveries of Salmonella. Salmonella was discovered by William Bird, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, and the Carl Joseph. William Bird, the English physician and the epidemiologist, who called the Salmonella poison which causes the infection. Salmonella are the rod-shaped gram-negative bacteria. It belongs to the class Enterobacteriaceae. Diameter is about to 0.7 to 0.5 micrometer, length 2 to 5 micrometer, and it is chemotrophic bacteria, and Salmonella divided into two species, Salmonella enterica and Salmonella bongorii. Such poor sanitation and drinking contaminated water and the infection inside the intestinal tract may lead to the typhoid. Typhoid may be mild or severe. Time duration for the typhoid may be different depending on the illness. Typhoid stay usually between the 7 and the 14 days and as short as for 3 days or as long as for 30 days. Illness may be last for 3 to 4 weeks or maybe longer in small number of cases. Symptoms vary from mild to severe and the life-threatening. Weakness, stomach pain, headache, diarrhea and constipation, cough, loss of appetite, abdominal cramps, blood in stool, nausea, and the dehydration. Lack of fluid in the body called dehydration is a big risk. Typhoid is a dangerous disease but curable. Typhoid spread very fastly because Salmonella transfer from one person to another. That's why it is a dangerous disease. Typhoid fever is treated with antibiotics that kill the Salmonella bacteria. But in severe conditions like overwhelming infection, pneumonia, intestinal bleeding or intestinal perforating may lead to death. Diagnosis of the typhoid fever can be confirmed by the analysis of the sample of the blood and the feces, poop, and the pee of the patient. Examination occurs in the microscope of the Salmonella typhi bacteria which led to these conditions. Testing a sample of bone marrow is more accurate way to diagnose the typhoid fever. After the infection, the bacteria reach to the bloodstream where it reaches the different organs and led to the many infection which causes various symptoms. The gastrointestinal tract is more severely affected including spleen, liver and the muscle. Through bloodstream, bacteria can also reach to the gallbladder, lungs and the kidney. White tongue, intestinal infection and the rashes on the body are some symptoms of the typhoid. The effective treatment of the typhoid fever is only the antibiotics most commonly used are spirofloxacin for non-pregnant adults and ceftriaxone. Other than the antibiotics, it is important to rehydrate by the drinking water because dehydration may lead to many several. Thank you for watching my videos. I will make sure that my further videos will be more accurate and modified. Take care and don't forget to subscribe my channel.